Have a new plane coming out, but we don't. That one's
when it's coming out, or
next couple days. We'll see. That's pretty.
yeah, I like the size of that. I always like the Panthers
faster,
size
faster,
maybe
faster.
British Montego or Reed.
Yeah.
Montego Rye, whatever.
Yeah. Pretty plane. That's normally a turbine model too. Really nice.
I thought it was a small 80, so it was.
It is? Oh wow, okay. Very cool. Gotta get a closer look.
Yeah, I guess he flies turbines also.
Oh really? Okay, taxi it out. It's a pretty plane.
Needs a clear canopy.
Yeah.
Takeoff flaps.
Take it off.
Timer cleared.
Whoa.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Don't want to touch the rudder on takeoff with this guy.
It would look pretty sensitive.
Yeah, that was I overcorrected.
It's easy to do, especially with cold hands.
Yeah.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh wow, look at all the birds out there. It's a big thermal or something.
Yeah. I don't know factors for you. One's over here.
Over there and over here. 2 places.
You flying at full throttle?
Only on passes. I'm at half right now. I go back and forth.
It's the stock motor?
No, this is all my own
okay.
setup.
That's the same.
It doesn't fly much different with the stock, but it's a little bit more powerful with what I got.
Yeah.
Time
It's
remaining
definitely
1
faster than
minute.
mine.
This is a 70. This is a smaller plane.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So my 80 doesn't fly this well.
Oh, I thought it was the 80.
No. The 80s. That one's still stock.
This is nice.
Yeah, this one's faster. For sure faster. All right, you're clear.
30 seconds.
In his space.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
touch and go before I come in. Touch and go from the left.
10, 9, 8, flaps up, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, full stop landing from the left.
Landing flaps.
Definitely a crosswind today.
Flaps up.
Wouldn't have known with that landing.
Huh?
Wouldn't have known with that landing.
It was almost tipping. It was this close to not tipping. Oh, check. It's been sitting in the car all week too, so this is a little tweaked, but oh well. It'll be alright.
Is this your go-to?
My favorite, probably. I've had it for long. Yeah, out of the 18s, I've had this one.